Welcome back to Nikhil's Tech and Appliances. Today, we are diving into the world of kitchen gadgets that every modern home should have. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who loves cooking, these innovative tools will make your kitchen experience more enjoyable and efficient. From the links in the description box below. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Number 1. Greek Yogurt Maker Strainer. If you're a fan of homemade yogurt, this Greek Yogurt Maker Strainer is a game changer. With its fine mesh design and a lid to keep everything clean, you can easily create thick and creamy Greek yogurt right at home. Not only is it perfect for yogurt, but it also works well for making cheese and paneer. Its large capacity allows you to make enough yogurt for the whole family. And the process is simple. Just strain and enjoy. Number 2. Plastic Expandable Kitchen Dish Drainer. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops with this plastic expandable kitchen dish drainer. This versatile drying rack can expand up to 48 centimeters, making it perfect for washing bowls, utensils, or fruits and vegetables. Its design ensures that water drains efficiently, keeping your kitchen tidy and organized. Plus, it's easy to store when unused, making it an ideal solution for small kitchens. Number 3. Automatic Yogurt Maker. For those who prefer a hands-off approach to yogurt making, the Automatic Yogurt Maker is perfect for you. With a compact size and a generous 900 milliliter capacity, this gadget takes the guesswork out of yogurt preparation. Simply add your ingredients, set the timer, and let it do its magic. Enjoy fresh yogurt tailored to your taste without the hassle of constant monitoring. Number 4. Air Fryer Liners. If you love using an air fryer but hate the cleanup afterward, these air fryer liners are a must-have. Made from non-stick parchment paper, they prevent food from sticking to the fryer basket while also keeping it clean. These liners are oil-proof and waterproof, making them perfect for all kinds of cooking, from frying to baking in your air fryer or microwave oven. Just toss them after use for a quick cleanup. Number 5. Coconut Scraper Grater. Bring a touch of tradition into your kitchen with the Homeful Polished Wooden Coconut Scraper Grater. This beautifully crafted tool features an iron blade that makes grating coconut effortless. Whether you're preparing traditional dishes or adding fresh coconut to desserts, this scraper is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, perfect for any modern kitchen. Number 6. MultiFunction Bathroom Cleaning Brush. While not strictly a kitchen gadget, maintaining cleanliness in your home is essential. The MultiFunction Bathroom Plastic Cleaning Brush helps tackle tough grime in hard-to-reach places like tiles and crevices. Its rotating bristles make cleaning efficient and less strenuous, keeping your bathroom sparkling clean without much effort. Number 7. Softel Pull Handle Multipurpose Grip. Upgrade your cookware with the Softel Pull Handle Multipurpose Grip. This removable handle allows you to easily switch between pots and pans without needing multiple handles cluttering your kitchen space. It's designed for convenience and safety, ensuring that you can cook with ease while saving storage space. Number 8. Reusable Cleaning Brush. Meet your new best friend in cleaning. The Reusable Cleaning Brush with handle. Ideal for scrubbing clothes, shoes, sinks, and more. This multi-purpose brush makes tough cleaning tasks manageable. Its durable design ensures long-lasting use while providing excellent results every time. Number 9. Gas Cleaning Brush Set. Keep your kitchen appliances spotless with this plastic set of 3 gas cleaning brushes. Perfect for cleaning gas stoves and chimneys. These brushes come in various sizes to tackle different areas effectively. They are essential tools for anyone who wants to maintain a clean cooking environment effortlessly. Number 10. Rechargeable Mini Electric Chopper. Finally, we have the Rechargeable Mini Electric Chopper, a must-have for busy moms. With a powerful 1800 mAh battery that lasts longer than most choppers on the market, this gadget makes chopping quick and easy. Its USB-C charging means faster recharges too. At 250 milliliter capacity, it's perfect for small meal prep tasks without taking up too much space on your countertop. That wraps up our list of must-have kitchen gadgets for the modern home from a tech perspective. Each of these products brings convenience and efficiency to your cooking experience while enhancing your kitchen's functionality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tech insights from Nikhil's Tech and Appliances. Happy cooking!